Alex.
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 Everything you teach in this program,
It's life-changing.
I have to say it was the best career decision that I've ever made.
was everything that I needed to build my successful real estate investment company.
The amount of information that you're providing is excellent.
You find this vibrant, active, and growing community, sharing ideas, experience, and resources to help each other succeed.
It's been an amazing journey, and I'm really excited to achieve my dreams and my goals even faster than I ever thought possible.
I am connected to an amazing group of people. I would encourage every single person to be a part of this if they want to do something different.
If you want a program that over-delivers, you have a lot of support, a lot of encouragement, and all the tools that you need to get you to where you want to be, jump. I don't know what else to say.
You will not be disappointed with the results.
Extend my gratitude. My wife appreciates it, and my kids appreciate that. And I know my grandkids will appreciate that as well.
Thank you, Alex, for all that you do to just make this such a great program and the best decision I've ever made.